Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just continue to unpack on the proceedings at that crazy high courts. Layer high courts, guys, is in another level. Again, it's a Caslian, I tell you. Urata, guys. I'm not suffering ukuthi ngithi bias urata. Urata is just disrespectful nje. Uyafana nomntana kosebanda. Busy ganging up here on defense. I'm just most of the time they did not necessarily object when they're fighting uMakhodzonke no Ronnie Sibanda. Just in Ronnie Sibanda takes it to other levels with Rata speaking. Ubalo engathi akekho. It's like he's not even there, you know. Dr. Sibanda Shem, he's beyond. Udlulele, you know. Yeah. Besizothi hayi no mina ngezwe ngomnisi hogwash and nonsense. I'm just like, really, bro, nonsensical. Even said that, I was just like, I know, Shem. Usibanda, I will petty court this week. Hey. And you know, my sister one is like just like the greatest in that court.
Mr. Zungu, let's start by housekeeping rules. Let's start by housekeeping rules. Okay. We are in a court of law here.
Asiqale nje ngokuthi ke silungisane noma ke silungise la. Lana ke sisenkantolo.
When I put a supposition to you, I invite you to comment, not to act in a disruptive manner.
Uma kunokuthize engikushoyo kuwena, ngikusho lokho ngikumema ke noma ngicela ke ukuthi uphendule noma ke ucommenteke, kodwa hayi ukuthi ke uyiphatheke ngendlela ke engasi kahle noma engasiyona.
You understand?
Kezwaka? I would like to apologize, my lord.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, let's proceed. We were still drawing a comparison between your evidence and Constable Sizwe Zungu's evidence.
Besisaqhathanisa ke phakathi kobufakazi bakho ke kanye nobufakazi bakhe uConstable Sizwe Zungu.
According to Constable Zungu, you met him in Carlton Center.
Ngokusho kwakhe uConstable Zungu wahlangana naye eCarlton Center
in the year 2014.
Ngonyaka ka-2014.
Mina uMakhosonke ngaze ngibone ngo-2014.
I, as Makhosonke, never met him in 2014.
You had food together?
Uthi nadla noma nabe nisenidla ndawonye?
Ngo-2014 ngangekho lapho mina.
I was not there in 2014.
You traveled together to Vosloorus?
Nahamba ndawonye ukuya eVosloorus?
Hayi mina.
Not me.
You were hosted at Gwabini's place?
Nanihlezi kwaGwabini? No.
You drank alcohol and ate meat?
Naphuza utshwala, nadla inyama?
Mina ngo-2014 akaze ngaba noConstable Zungu.
I was never in I was never in the company of Constable Zungu or Gwabini in 2014.
And then you met accused number 1.
Nase nihlangana sisaqhubeka ke ngofakazi bukaZungu Constable Zungu nabe senihlangana ke no accused number 1.
Mina ngo-2014 lokho akaze kwenzeka.
That never happened with me in 2014.
So what differs from your evidence and his evidence is only the year and the date.
Okuhlukayo ke noma umehluko okhona ke phakathi kobufakazi bakho nobufakazi bakhe i-date kanye nonyaka
nokuthi sa-arrange angikwazi lokho.
As well as the fact that we arranged. I know nothing about that.
And then on the issue of arrangement, Constable Zungu testified before this court that he was given your contact details by Gwabini.
kulolu daba lokuthi-ke na-arrange ubufakazi bakhe la phambi kwenkantolo uConstable Zungu watshela le nkantolo ukuthi-ke amanamba akho noma ama-contact details akho wawanikezwa uGwabeni.
Angikwazi konke lokho.
I know nothing about all of that.
Then I am putting to you that is a fact.
Ngithi-ke kuwena-ke iqiniso lelo.
Hayi mina angikwazi.
No, I don't know.
Because in your own version, you never exchanged your contact details in 2015 with or at any stage with Constable Zungu.
Ngoba-ke uma sithatha nje ubufakazi bakho kuphela nje bona nje bodwa uyasho-ke nawe ukuthi awukaze ngo-2015 noma yisiphi isikhathi nje umnikeze uConstable Zungu amanamba akho.
Kunjalo lokho.
That's correct.
And then I further put it to you that a common contact between Gwabeni, Constable Zungu and Makosonke Zungu is Gwabeni.
Ngithi-ke mina-ke ohlanganisayo-ke lana phakathi uGwabeni, uConstable Zungu noMakhosonke Zungu uGwabeni.
Hayi angikwazi lokho.
No, I know nothing about that.
Is Gwabeni not common between you and Constable Zungu?
Kusiyana yini uGwabeni-ke umuntu ongathi-ke uphakathi nendawo uyena-ke ohlanganisayo nobabili?
Usihlanganisa kanjani mhlawumbe?
Common in
It's
which sense?
common, you both know him.
Ukuthini-ke niyamazi nobabili?
Siyamazi hayi siyamazi wabili kodwa
Yes.
hayi ngo-20 angizengweni ngo-2014 mina.
Yes, we both know him, but I was never with them in 2014.
You see, Mr. Makosonke Zungu, your narration, your version regarding what I've just put to you, the meeting with Constable Zungu in 2017 and the exchange of contact details is just, it does not make sense. It's nonsense.
Yabona-ke
Objection, my lord. The word nonsense, my lord, it's an insult to a witness after the state counsel has asked the witness to be respectful in this court. Now is insulting the witness in an open court. That is not allowed, my lord. It's unacceptable.
They say it's not allowed.
The word nonsense, hogwash, was first introduced by Advocate Minis in this court. There was no objection from Advocate Mshololo.
I agree, my colleague is not being cautious. We've never heard of this word. For a period of 3 years, it's for the first time. And it's so intimidating to the witness, please.
My lord, I think we are officers of the court. We cannot be sent to the level of non-lawyers, especially in the court setting, my lord, to say nonsense to a witness testifying before the court. I submit, my lord, that's very disrespectful to this witness, as the court places.
Yeah, you see, I don't know. I think they're correct, the colleagues. But you see, if an Englishman comes here and say it's nonsense, there's no insult there. It's the language. But you see, because we are Africans, we adulterate English. We say there's something called nonsense. There is a phrase, nonsense. So don't use African English. Okay.
My lord, I am ready to apologize to the witness, but I want to put this across to my colleagues. And then I have a record of these proceedings, if I can be given a chance. 2 October 2023, the witness before court was Constable Zungu on page 19, Mr. Mnisi. Now I've got instructions to tell you that your story, your version about the hostel, that there was a jamboree, there was a celebration, you were called upon to go to hostel where accused number 3 was also there on 26 October 2040, is just hogwash. Interpreter, can you explain what is hogwash? Hogwash is nonsense.
Okay, let's continue. Let's leave the expletives. Yeah.
My lord, may I submit that even if it had been said by other colleagues, my lord, yes.
Sure, please, let's just continue.
Thank you.
I also have been sworn at. You mustn't speak as if I have not been sworn at. I have been sworn at. So let's continue. In this court. Yeah.
As the court, please. I'm saying whatever that you're saying regarding your visit to Basotho Hostel in 2017 it does not make sense.
Ngithi-ke konke lokho kushoyo-ke ngokuyovakasha kwakho-ke Basotho Hostel ngo-2017 ukuthi yinto nje engazwakali.
Mina ngikhuluma into engiyaziyo neyenzeka kimi, hayi komunye umuntu.
I'm speaking what I know, what happened to me, not to anyone else.
Njengoba ngikhuluma ngisho le statement lesi esibhalwe la. Akusinto engayikhuluma, but ubhizi ungibuza ngayo lento othi wena inonsense futhi angazi ukuthi utamthini-ke mina-ke.
Because I'm referring to this statement that is you are asking me about. I am saying this which is contained in here was not said by me, and then you are now referring to it as being nonsense. So I don't know what it is that you expect from me to say.
No, what is contained in this statement is not nonsense. What is nonsense is what you said before this court, orally.